Hey folks, you ever get a OBD2 code P0457 that says it's a gas cap? Okay, I'm going to show you. This is a brand new gas cap with the tether, they call it, and it hangs out over here so you don't lose the gas cap. All right, this is what you look for. Look at this old cap. See the cracks? The crack right around the seal. Okay, that'll give you that code that the gas cap is loose or it's leaking. Okay, change it. They're cheap enough. They're like $6 or so, give or take, depending on where you buy it. All right, but that's what you look for. Look for the little cracked rubber seal there. So when you tighten it, it doesn't make a nice seal. And that's why it's leaking. Okay, make sure that it does that before you start the car. All right, that's it.